Hi, this is Rich Bucola here in New York City, and on behalf of Expert Village, today I'm going to show you how to make some garlic bread. Alright, here we go. Just buttering. I put butter on my garlic bread. You might want to use olive oil. I'm actually going to use a little olive oil later. And people might say, oh wow, this is really hard to make such garlic bread. Why don't I just buy it? I like, you're going to find that using these little efforts and these little extra things and the fresh, products that we're using, and even just getting down to roasting the garlic, you're going to taste it and you're going to be like, wow, it was worth a little extra effort, So I'm not saying you have to do this all the time, but if you want to taste a really good recipe for garlic bread, this is what you got to do for it. All good things come to those who wait and work hard, so it's definitely worth the effort. So you just want to put a nice heaping amount of butter straight across. I put it on both sides, and that's the first part. That's the first layer of your garlic bread that we're going to put in. And you'll see, I use a lot of butter. Health-wise, it's, you might want to use less butter. You might not want to use butter. You don't have to. You can use a little of olive oil, which is probably a little better for you. But I like it this way.